Hello calculus students and seekers of truth. In this video we will find the derivative of the tangent function. Now often is the case we use the limit process, but we've learned new techniques and we try to rethink the problem or reorganize the problem algebraically before we actually get into the specific calculus. All right, so with the tangent function, we can rethink of it as sine divided by cosine. Right? So that's another way of seeing the tangent function. And from here, we can apply the quotient rule. So I'm going to treat sine as u, cosine as v. So that's the top, that's the bottom. And that means g prime is nothing more than u prime, the derivative of the top, times the bottom, minus v prime, the derivative of the bottom, times the top. All of this over the bottom squared. All right, so let's work through this. This is g prime. The derivative of the numerator, sine, that has derivative cosine, times the denominator, so you get another cosine, minus the derivative of the denominator. So the derivative of cosine is negative sine, so I'm just going to put all of this in brackets here, times the numerator, which is just sine. All of this divided by the denominator squared. And in this case, and in most cases, it is definitely worth simplifying. So in the numerator, you have cosine squared. This is minus a negative sine squared, so that's just plus sine squared. All of this over cosine squared. Cosine of x squared. Okay. And we can actually take this one step further because notice in the numerator you have cosine squared plus sine squared, and that's just equal to 1. This is called a Pythagorean identity. So that's 1 over cosine squared, and that is the derivative of the tangent function. You will also see it written in a slightly different form, a much cleaner form. 1 over cosine is another way of saying secant. And squared, right? So secant squared. So there you have it. The derivative of the tangent function is secant squared. And we got there by rethinking the tangent function itself in terms of sine and cosine, and then using the quotient rule and simplifying. As always, thank you for watching. Ask for help if you need it, and have a wonderful day.